Welcome back to Learning Football with Santosh Kashyap, former Indian footballer, Mahindra United player, and FIFA and AFC instructor. In case you missed the previous video on long-range passes and game situations for passing, receiving and supporting, we'd recommend watching it now.
Hi guys, this is Santosh Kashyap. Welcome back to another episode of Learning Football with me. Today we are going to practice on dribbling. Dribbling is all about 1v1 scoring goals and it's very thrilled exercise. So let's start. Come on guys. Start running with the ball in this area. Yes, very nice. Keep moving inside, outside. Keep moving inside, outside. Yes, well done. Use inside of the foot, outside of the foot. You can step over, get the feel of it. Yes, very nice. Yes. Try to dribble each other. Dribble each other. So you can see it's very important for a dribbling ball field familiarity. So once you surface inside, outside of the feet, it definitely make you more confident and familiar to this, and you will find easy while when you actually come to 1v1 dribbling. Well done, very nice. Keep moving, yes. Okay, inside, outside, surface, all you can do is stepovers. Turning also, yes, very good. Darren, Bhavish. 360, can you make 360? Go 360 if you can turn. Show 360, yes, get the feel of it. Very good. Okay, stop, relax. So this is the first part. We'll give the break and then we go for second part of the exercise. Turning, you have to go, turn direction and move forward and again change direction. Understood? To keep moving, turn and accelerate direction. Okay, come on, start. Yes, very nice. Yes, well done. So stop. Now what you are doing, you are going and turning and you are going with same pace. As you beat the defender and accelerate. So I go here and now I change the direction. So I go faster as beat the defender. No, you have to change the pace. Okay? Come on, start. Turn. And speed up. Yeah, that's better. Yes. So go 3 to 5 yards. Go 3 to 5 yards. Stop the ball and turn. Yes. Well done. Very nice. Okay guys, stop. So now we have to move and take a turn like this. And change direction again. And try to use both the feet. Okay? Come on, start. Yeah! Use left and right, both the feet, use both the feet. Okay guys, now inside of it. Now you go for turning and use inside of the feet. Okay? Inside of the feet, okay? So let's start. For 3 to 5 yards. Yes, and accelerate. Yes. Well done. Okay, stop. Now we'll go for outside of the foot. So now you move here and then outside of the feet in direction. Okay? Come on. Yes, very well over there. Very good, Samuel. Darren. Well done, Charles. Bhavish. And Joel, well done. Keep trying. Okay, stop. So you know how to make 8? Huh? Just show. Yes. Yes. Okay. But a little long distance. Okay. Just make it again. Uday. Yes. Very good. So try to make 8. Okay. Come on, start. Don't clash. Look up. Always dribbling. You should chin up. So it's a very, very important. It's very, very important. We do dribbling, we have to keep our head high so we can see the ball as well as the opponents. So looking up is very, very important. You have to chin up and try to get all the exercises while chin up. Well done. Okay. So this is it about the ball familiarity before we go for actual 1v1 and dribbling skill. So we'll go for second part of it later. Thank you. Okay guys, now we'll go to next part of the dribbling. Very, very important. Ball and running with the ball. Okay guys, so you can start running across each other with the pace. Yes, don't clash. You have to look up, otherwise you will clash. So a dribbling skill is very, very important. So you have to look up and run. So try to guys slightly chin up. You are doing fantastic. Chin up, try to run across, so you will not crash. Okay, start. Yes, very nice. And try to dribble each other. Yes. Okay guys, okay, stop. Okay, next part is turning with the ball. It's very, very important. So what we are going to do guys, take a turn back like we were doing in the warm-up. Turn back and accelerate and come back here. Okay, start. So and turn back and accelerate back. Uday, yes. Stop. Turn back and accelerate and come back here. Okay, you have to come and it's like your opponent and you have building and go back. Okay, come on, come, yes, and turn back. Yes, turn back, yes, yes, well done. Come on, again, turn back, yes, well done. Very good. Everybody will go to the right side. So once you go there and change the direction to right side, you from there, you this side and you this side. Okay, and change direction to the right side. Okay, so come and right side. Yes, side. Yes, well done. Very nice. Start. Come on and change direction. Right. Yes, very good. So you can see that change of direction with the speed is very, very important to beat the defender. That's the very important part of dribbling. Okay guys, now same thing, left side. Okay, so now from here you come, go change direction, left side. You also left side. Everybody left side. Okay, chalo, start. So turn and left side. Yes, well done. Very nice. Okay, left side. Yes, very good. Go. Yes, left side. Very good. Go. Yes, very good. Okay. Stop. Now we'll go for 1v1 and try to do that. Okay. Okay guys, now what we are going to do, we'll go 1v1. Actually, you have to run. Now you two stop. You run and try to dribble each other and stop. So go. Stop. Now you do. Yes, don't clash. Well done. Very nice. Fantastic. You two, go. Speed up. Ah, yeah. See. So you have to look up, otherwise you will clash. Understand? Go. One more time here. Well done. Very nice. Go. Yes. Now stop. So again, now you are going far away. I want you to run towards each other and dribble. Take a friction of second of decision, then come by better dribble. Yes, sir. Come close and dribble. Yeah! Well done. Very nice. Yeah. Go. Dribble. Oh, excellent. Okay guys, this is all about dribbling part 1. Hope you like it and learn. Keep practicing this. It definitely makes you a better dribbler. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.